All right, let's say you're hosting a gasparilla party tomorrow, right?
Mm-hmm.
And you need an idea for a dessert.
So many ideas, but we've got some for you this morning. Joining us now is dessert wizard Danette Randall. Thanks so much for being here.
Wizard?
Yes.
You're a wizard.
I like that.
Because you're making magic.
See, typically I've been the dessert diva, but I'm going to claim the wizard.
Do the
I
wizard,
like it.
yeah.
Well, you can do it during
I like
gasparilla
it.
time. You can be a wizard and then a diva the rest of the year.
This is my first gasparilla, but this is all I had. I don't
like
really
it.
have, like, it
works.
kind of looks more like the Tampa Bay Buccaneer.
Which is also a pirate.
That's okay, right?
So yeah, you're good.
Yeah, you're good.
Okay,
Good.
so this is really simple. Of course, the pirate's booty because, you know, pirates. Are you guys dressing
And
up?
booty.
Yeah,
We
yeah.
just like to say booty on
And
TV.
booty, yeah. Who doesn't like to say booty? So what I have here is the pirate's booty is the crust. And
Okay.
we're going to sprinkle a little bit on the top. But it's mango and white chocolate.
It smells
now, you know, the
amazing.
savory of that's the, you know, pirate's booty is the white cheddar.
Right.
And it really crumbles nicely, and it has that little bit of bite to it, and then you're gonna have the mango, the white chocolate. There's only ½ a cup of sugar. It's not too sweet because you have the white chocolate, and you don't want it too sweet. And then I have the Invasion Cigar City Brewing beer.
There's
It's a
beer in this?
No, it's a tropical ale. It's to pair with
Oh,
it.
it goes with it. Okay.
I did extensive research, and it pairs the best with the cheesecake.
Of course you did. You're a wizard.
All right, so just real fast, what we're going to do is 5 cups of the pirate's booty. So if you get the 4-ounce bag, that's enough to have a little bit to crumble. So it's 5 tablespoons of butter, 5 cups of pirate's booty. Blend it in the food processor. If you don't have a food processor, it's really fragile pirate's booty, so you can just like
Really crush it.
put it in
with
a
your
baggie,
hands.
Yeah.
bang it up. Tablespoon butter, put it down, mash it with your hand.
Okay.
It sounds very violent, this cheesecake.
It does.
already.
Well, it's-
Mash it with
Sounds
your hand.
good.
But you take you can take the bottom of a cup and you press it down.
Okay.
You're gonna bake this for just about 7 to 8 minutes.
Okay.
You're gonna pull it out. You're gonna wrap the bottom with foil. It's very easy. Now, cheesecake, one of the problems that people have, a lot of people are afraid of a water bath. I don't use a water bath. I have a way that it's not going to crack and it's not going to sink, and that is by not over mixing it.
Oh.
So we've got 3 8-ounce packs of cream cheese.
Okay.
Stir it really soft, and you know what? Use a handheld mixer. If you have a KitchenAid, go ahead and use that, but just don't
Don't go
over
nuts
mix.
with it. Okay.
All right, so like I said, ½ a cup of sugar. We're going to do sour cream. So people, you still have time to go get
Some
this stuff.
vanilla.
Yeah, this
You
is
still have
you can
and
find it at the
make
grocery store.
almond extract, ½ a teaspoon.
Okay.
Almond's very strong, so
Yeah.
you don't want too much. Well,
mix
maybe
that
you
up.
do, but
Yeah.
you're just going to stir this on up, and then we've got 3 eggs. Now, this is where you do one at a time, mix it, one at a time, mix it, one at a time, mix it, and that is because you don't want to incorporate too much air. That's when the cheesecake blows up.
These are the tricks.
Look at that.
Wizard tricks.
Wizard tricks, exactly.
Oh, a wizard,
Yeah.
gosh, I'm really loving that. All right, so you're gonna stir that up, and then we have white chocolate. Now, you can use white chocolate chips.
Okay.
This baker's white chocolate sometimes is a little bit more simple to melt because white chocolate, you have to watch like a newborn baby.
Right.
It will go. So you're gonna put that in, you're gonna stir it, you're gonna pour it in here on a baking pan. It's gonna bake 45 minutes.
Okay.
Go ahead.
Okay.
And then
Are we-
And then
Am
you
I
gotta-
done?
we're
running out of
running out of
time,
time.
unfortunately.
What?
But
Okay.
I know. So once that bakes, and then you just
You're
chill
gonna
it or
pull
what?
Yeah, oh yeah, you have to chill it for at least 4 hours or overnight. You're
Okay.
gonna crush up a little bit. I have 2 forks
Perfect.
here if you guys are.
We're
I
gonna
mean,
try
yeah.
it. We're gonna
Take
try
a
it soon
bite.
with you, Lee Span, and I've been putting this whole thing on my Facebook Live, and we're
Yep.
gonna have it on WFLA.com.
The entire recipe.
Yes.